Welcome to GUANGZHOU WELLMAX Household Corporation Limited, a leader in non-cyanide kitchen pull-out baskets since 2005. With over 19 years of experience and more than 70 patents, we pride ourselves on innovation and quality. Our factory covers more than 180,000 square meters in Nansha District, Guangzhou, China, near Nansha Port. At WELLMAX, our advanced production base features 10 fully automated hardware production lines, capable of delivering over 600 million pieces annually. We cater to well-known enterprises, brand operators, and custom production needs. Our commitment to excellence is demonstrated through our ISO 9001 management system, 6S site management, and comprehensive ERP and digital processes. Our dedicated R&D team of over 60 professionals excels in both independent and OEM product design, holding patents like our renowned pull-down basket. Quality is our top priority, maintained through rigorous testing and inspections, including salt spray tests and product life evaluations. Our strict quality control standards ensure a product pass rate of 99.8%. Backed by efficient internal communication. WELLMAX products enhance kitchen, wardrobe, bar, and bathroom spaces, offering practical and stylish solutions. We are committed to making your living spaces more convenient and comfortable. Choose WELLMAX for a more comfortable home life. WELLMAX, enhancing your living space for a better tomorrow.